Alright, you guys, I am in the Costco. This is new right here. It's going to be $130. It is called the Chillpill from the Shark. So, is it on?
It's on now.
Hack the heat. Fan and instant chill cooling system. High speed fan. Cool up to 25 feet per second. Cooling plate. Cool. I can feel it. Cools on contact. I can feel it.
Trying to see how high you can get it.
I hear it. Can you hear it, guys?
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's blowing good too. I think this is like.
But they already have like a Shark fan neck wrap. You know what I mean? Can you feel that? It's hot today. I feel like this could come in handy, but there's also other fans out there. But I do feel like it is more powerful. You know, the little handheld ones or the necklace fan. If you're going to an outside, I wonder if they're gonna let you bring this to the outdoor concerts. Because normally I bring a little fan, but they have to be a certain size. So this could work. I mean, it's kind of cool. It is $130, up to 12 hours runtime, UV resistant. You're putting on your makeup or your primer. Does it get hot?
No. The Chillpill.
Chillpill. Can you move it goes up to 10. So why does it move though? Like, what's the purpose of it?
Maybe ergonomics, so you could hold it like this. So you could hold it like this instead of having to hold it like this. Yeah.
Okay, I want one for Mother's Day. $130. I need 2 of them. I'll take 2, please. 130. I don't get hit up for nothing. It's okay. I'm still out here and I talk about these products, but it is all good. Okay, this air purifier is $130. And 100 Soundcore could go in water. All right, I'm not gonna play it because I don't want to get copyrighted, but $100. Finish $16.49, ends May 3rd. So we have some May savings in here. And the heavy duty sweep dry cloth ends April 5th, so ending pretty soon. Only $14, $4 off. Okay, everything up here for your Easter brunch. $7.69 here on the Kirkland. Next to me, $8.49. The Kirkland mimosa. Hey, I enjoyed it. Or you could, buy crooks too if you want. $8. They use crooks at Cracker Barrel's, how I know. The bunch of bubbles is on discount. This one does end on the 19th and it's only $20. And if you're looking for any outdoor fun play with bubbles, don't forget to check out your TJ Maxx and Marshalls. They have plenty of bubble guns there that they do sell, just like in the Walmart. It looks like everyone's buying these pool noodles. I mean, it is time to be hanging out in your pool. $21.89. $27.99 on the weighted vest. It is a 12-pounder. Calorie burn, bone health, muscle strength. Oh my gosh, what's happening? $27.99. Again, if you want something cheaper, depending, get it at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I think the highest I've seen there is like $14 on like a weighted vest, but I don't know if it's a 12-pounder. $29.99. We have Ted Baker in here. There's 2 types to choose from. We pan in, bam. And this one by Ben. How much is this one? It's too high for me to...
25.
25.
It's not even 24.
And I believe, oops, sorry, two pendant. Oh, there we go. These are going to be $17.99, so 18. And there's also a tan one to choose from. The piano guy is here on the very overly priced. Well, I mean, you gotta love it if you love, but he's out here. This song sounds very familiar. It's like playing on its own. I don't want to get copyrighted. For children, $17.99 right here. On shirts, you got dinosaurs. There's like two types to choose from. Some bees, flowers, a striped one with the rocket. Cute. It is a 4-piece set, so they kind of get like a jogger pant, a short, and 2 shirts. I feel like they should have given you 2 shorts because it's hot here. Adidas are $14.99. Ends the 5th, so ending pretty soon if you need a fun Easter outdoor outfit. So 3-piece set. You will get 2, and I believe a pair of shorts. Oh, it's so cute. 2 shirt and a pair of shorts. Yeah. It says Adidas on it. This is 2T for $15. And they got girls back there. We got like white too. There we go. The flowers. And $15.99 on these character tees. You get 4. Let's see. You get a princess pack right here. A 4-pack. A Little Mermaid in the house. Here's a Donald Ducky one. I love Donald Duck. Goofy. Then a Mickey Mouse one right here. This one's really cute too. And they do have a Spider-Man. Again, all the Spider-Mans have been on TV recently.
The Tobey Maguire ones that are
yeah, the Tobey ones.
Yeah.
I like, you know, I haven't really seen the new,
I can't watch any
Tom
of
Holland. I haven't seen those. Hello Kitty. I don't know. They also have Hello Kitty stuff. Okay. And dots are $7.49. This one ends on the 6th of April. Cute Easter or summery vibe. Spring napkins. These are $11.99 here. Okay, I did have this in the previous video as a sample. It's actually pretty good, you guys. $13.99. And if you're looking for a toy for your doggy, $11.49. And let me tell you, these Kong toys, they do last. They do last. It has the wired body on the inside with the ball, but I've bought these before. They last. I bought a dodo bird. It lasted for years. So funny. I like the little hair on it. How freaking adorable. There is some new dog food though. Let's see, $34.99. You get 6 rolls on top. I'm not too sure. There's no price on this one. This is for adult dogs. With carrots and peas, chunky chicken stew. You get 2 tubs. I feel like this is definitely something you can make at home and put it as a topper on their dry if they need dry. $12.89 here. Lemon chicken and orzo, $12.89. It is organic Mediterranean style. That looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Truly grass-fed Irish butter is $13.99. Lactate here is $5.59 at 2%. And organic milk, 1% low fat, organic, $12.09. And $3.99 to 1 gallon on 2%. And whole milk is $3.99, same price. Organic whole milk, $13.99. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. This camera is about to die on you. Thank you so much for joining me in all these walkthroughs, and I will see all of you in the next one.